So let's talk about this for a minute. Anytime we're converting, there's two directions that you can go. Either we're going from a small value to a big value, or you're going to go from a big value to a small value. All right? So these are big. All right? 1,000 definitely bigger than 1. And these are your small values. We're going from big to small or small to big. If you're going from small to big, all you got to do here, guys, this is again a key to this, is move the decimal. That's all you have to do. You're not changing any numbers. You're just moving the decimal. And as long as you can count, this should not be a problem. All you have to do is move the decimal. So again, if we're going from small to big, so notice the direction of our arrow. Let's say I have a millimeter and I want to change that into a kilometer. You're going to move the decimal to the left. So if I'm going from a small value to a big value, I'm moving my decimal to the left. If I'm going from a big value to a smaller value, which way would I move that decimal? To the right. All we have to do is count, right? Okay, so if we look at example 1, 3.67 meters. Okay, so where do I go to on this chart? Where would I start from? The unit, okay, so that's our basic unit. Meters, grams, and liters, those are your basic units. So I'm starting at a unit, where do I need to go to? Again, so look at the image, right? We're going from meters to centimeters, so we're going to start here through the unit. I get to centimeters, so how far are we going? We're going up 1, 2. So how far do I move that decimal? In what direction? Remember, I'm going from a big to a small. So I'm moving it to the right, 1, 2. And we're left with 3.67. Or, geez, 367, sorry. 367 centimeters. And that's all you gotta do is be able to count and move the decimal. All right, let's look at example 2. We have 145.68 meters. And we're going to kilometers. So again, what direction am I going to move that decimal? Move it to the left. We're going from a smaller value to a big value. How far am I going to move that? So we start at the unit, Dakota. 3. Starting at the unit. We move it 1, 2, and 3 to get to the kilo. We'll move that 1, 2, 3 units to the left, and we're left with 0.14568 kilometers. Okay, I want you guys very quickly to do 3 through 6. What'd you get for number 3? Do it for me. Yep, 109 grams. Kilogram. 109 kilograms. Very good. Gabby, number 4. Okay, so walk me through. I'm going to walk with you on this, all right? Where are we starting at? All right, so we're going to start up here at milliliters. We're going to start here. Where are we going? So we're going to go all the way down here to kilo. How far is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got to move it 6 spaces, right? Okay. If I'm moving it 6 spaces, now the next question that's important is what direction? So we'll notice we're going from a small to a large. So we're going to move it to the left. How far? 6. Okay, so So in doing so, the problem is, I move over here, there's 2. What do I do with my other 4 spaces? Put zeros in there. So what we get, 4 zeros and a 1, 5. So very, very small amounts. Lorana, number 5.
I get that one. You would move into the right. 3.
Okay, I agree with 3. I disagree with right.
You move to the left.
We move to the left. Remember, we're going from a smaller value to a larger value, so we can move to the left. Point of 0, 2, 4. All right, and our last one. Mary, what'd you get?
I got 1497000 decimal. Is that right?
So 3 zeros?
Yes.
Well, let's find out. We're at 14.97. We gotta get it, have to get up to centi. So it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that looks right to me. Perfect. Okay. Any questions on that? Here, so we're good. Let's go ahead and end it here. And then we'll continue practicing.